Here is an interesting topic. When you are lifting water from well or any types of water sources, when we are going to use H or H by 2 and so on. First of all, we are trying to understand the very first case, one, lifting a single bucket, or we can say when we are using the full height. So this is actually a well, and the total height of the well, let's say this is H. Indeed, when we are lifting water from the bottom, it means that the entire mass of the water at the bottom of the water, indeed we have to use H. If a bucket we are using, or maybe a pump, and we have to lift all the water from the bottom, it means point number 2, indeed we also use H. Every part of the water moves the same distance. It means if you install a pipe, say at here, and you are lifting all the water, it will go through or exit from this pipe. Indeed, we also use the value of total height or the full height. In a very specific way, we can say that when the question, the information given as that the value of M is 500 kgs, this is actually a trick. Indeed, you can use the total height. Let's have an example here. A bucket at the bottom of 20-meter well, water is lifted. Indeed, what is the total work done or total energy? So this is a well, and obviously the height H is equals to 20 meter. And let's say within the whole well have got roughly 100 kilogram of water. Indeed, the work done, W is equals to mgh. So the value of M is 100, G is nothing but 9.8, and of course there is a value, M is given, so this will be the full length, which is 20 meter. So this is the answer. So it will be 19600 joule. Hope you understand. If you ask that what is the power of the pump, or the power you spend to lift all this water, indeed you can use P is equals to this W, and how much amount of time requires to lift all the water or lifted out all the water. Indeed, that time has to be plugged in here. You will get the value of power.